Israel's sister Naomi Sapphira with Raiment for the Remnant, taking body measurements. First measurement I'm going to take today is going to be from the neck, then the chest, which is also known as the bust, the waist. You can choose your comfort waist. Some people like it high, some people like it down all the way at their hip, some people like it right across their belly button. Wherever it is for you, make sure you take that measurement. The last one is going to be at the hip line and then the floor. Take your measuring tape and wrap it around your neck. All your measurements should be taken with finger space for comfort. Find where the measuring tape ends. Hold your finger. Take a look at that number. It measures 14 and a half. I'm going to write that down. At the bust line, you want to make sure you're at the highest point of your breast. You want to make sure that the tape is parallel all the way around you, and you want to give yourself 2 finger spaces again as well. $43.5. Write this down. I have a slight bump for a belly, so what I like to do is wear it just above that. This would be known as my comfort waist. I'm going to make sure that it's parallel all the way around and the tape is not twisted. 2 finger spaces. Where the end of the tape is, I'm going to pinch and hold, and I'm going to take that number, 36. Your next measurement is your hip. You want the fullest part of your bump. My bottom is heavier lower. Some bottoms may be heavier higher. Wherever the thickest part is, that is where you need to do it. You make sure your line is parallel from one side to the next. 2 finger spaces behind the tape, up against your body. Pinch where the measuring tape ends. 44, write down that measurement. Your next measurement is going to be from your comfort waist. Now I know where mine is. I can feel it. If you need to, tie a string around this area so that you can remember where it is. Take a hold of your measuring tape with your hand. Make sure that your measuring tape is running straight, and stand on your measuring tape. Straighten your measuring tape out. Give it a little pull if you need to get it up to the point, or step on it a little bit more to get it right at the position where you took the previous measurement. You can let that go and pick it up from your foot. It marks 42. From my waist to the floor is 42. I'm going to write this down. These are all the measurements that are necessary for creating a basic garment. Stay tuned for sleeves and hoods. Shalom, Most High Christ bless.